Hello and welcome to a new video of Team Rides. Today we are in Bobbejaanland, our home theme park.
Indeed, it is.
Yes, and today we're gonna make a review of Sledge Hammer. A giant frisbee made by us and opened already in 2004.
Yes.
We made already a lot of rides of this ride, but we never made a review of it. So today we're gonna make a review of it.
Yes, we're gonna do.
You come with us? Yeah? Follow us! Ja. Oh, oh yes. Alright, we just had our ride on Sledge Hammer.
Yes.
What is your opinion?
My opinion, it is a good thrill ride with good speed.
Yeah, a
Yeah.
must-do ride for Bobbejaanland.
Yeah.
Must do.
really
You
is.
have to. If you come to Bobbejaanland, you have to do Sledge Hammer because it's a real thrill ride.
Yeah.
The only problem is the cycle.
Yeah, I agree with that.
And it's too short.
It's
It's
too
really too short.
Yeah.
But for the rest, this ride really amazing.
Yeah, really.
The speed,
is.
the airtime.
Really
You
is.
get some airtime also in it.
Yeah, a lot.
in it. So yeah, if you go to Bobbejaanland, just do this ride.
Yes,
It has to.
it is a must.
Yeah, it's a must. So, what is your opinion about Sledge Hammer? Did you do already a Sledge Hammer or not? Just give your opinion in the comments below.
Yeah.
And don't forget, subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yes, because we need you.